Hey guys, it's Navya. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a super delicious and classic dessert, vegan brownies. These brownies are so tasty, they're so chocolatey and chewy, and they're a favorite amongst my friends and family, so I know you guys will love them a lot too. Like always, the recipe is in the description box below, so go check that out later. Now, without any further ado, let's start baking. Okay, so first we're going to start off by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're going to be going over to a stovetop and we're going to be turning the heat to about a medium high. Now in a small saucepan, we're going to be adding in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And to that, we're going to be adding in 1 cup of water. And then we're going to be using a whisk and we're going to be giving this a good mix until it reaches a gluey paste consistency. Now in a mixing bowl, we're going to be adding in 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of white sugar. And we're adding in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ¾ cup of cocoa powder, and ½ a cup of vegetable oil. I'm using olive oil. And then we're going to use a spatula and we're going to give this a good mix. Now we're going to be adding in the flour water mixture we made earlier. And we're going to be giving that good mix as well. Now we're going to be adding in another 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And we're going to be adding in ½ a teaspoon of baking powder. And we're going to be giving that a good mix as well. Now we're going to be adding in ½ a cup of vegan chocolate chips. Now we're going to be getting a greased and parchment-lined baking tin or dish, and we're going to be adding in our batter in there. Now we're going to be going over to our oven and we're going to be putting it in there. And we're going to be baking it for 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. So I'm just going to be inserting a toothpick in, and it came out clean. And I'm going to be letting it cool for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to be cutting them into bite-sized pieces. So here are the final vegan brownies. I added a little bit of vegan vanilla ice cream on it, which makes it taste so much better. And yeah, the texture and the flavor is so amazing. I know you guys will love it a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Navya M. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!